Hi there, I'm Andy Smith from Royal Flush Marketing, and shortly we're going to be delivering a webinar called How to Plan Your Social Media and Make Compelling Content. Now this is going to tell you everything that you need to know in order to set up and plan how to do compelling content without having to sit there at 5 o'clock on a Wednesday evening scratching your head. This is going to help you set up well in advance and give you loads of tips and templates and tools that will help you be able to plan ahead and write lots of compelling content and then schedule it so you don't have to keep rushing around trying to do something at the last minute. On top of that, we're also going to give you lots of tools that you can use in order to actually create content, and most of these things will be things like free apps or very cost-effective programs that you can use to generate graphics, images, memes, videos or animations. Now this has got everything you need to really get going with your social media and make a difference, so you're not just getting 1 or 2 likes here and there, but you're actually starting to really get some serious reach and engagement, and most importantly some conversion. It takes about an hour and a half, it's coming up shortly, it's fully funded so it's free to you, so please do join us and we look forward to seeing you all then. Thank you.